welcome to another one. This video is gonna be slow as fuck. Might as well let's start getting to it. What the fuck, bro? I did not see that guy. Oh, but yeah, I really hope that my GoPro mount lasts, which I feel like it's stupid to say, because I trust this mount a lot more than my other helmet. You guys probably don't notice, but I do be switching out my helmets, and my carbon fiber one is officially no longer going to be used for filming. Great. The camera mount, dude, just fell. Literally, just fell right off. I thought maybe it was the heat or something, but it just popped off, bro. So that sucks, but it's all good because we have the Horus helmet, which low-key should be a better filming helmet because I put JB Weld all over where the camera mount goes, like it's encased in it. Does this even make sense to anyone? We're at the front of traffic, whatever, we'll just ride. And then once that light stops, 3, 2. The fact that I timed that perfectly. Oh man, I love F1, bro. Shit has increased my reaction time. Let's get around these people. I don't know where you're turning, buddy. Oh, there actually is somewhere you can turn there. Little pools. And then we have coming up here a glorious, magnificent corner that we unfortunately cannot take at full speed, but it's really nice, dude. You just transition and then hold, counter steer. Didn't look like a lot, but it felt like a lot. Okay, I don't even know what the purpose of this video is. Honestly, I'm just filming to really test out my helmet and my mic positioning. That's really it. Ooh, that fucking reverb coming off of the goddamn bridge. That shit felt nice. Someone coming into the left lane? Oh! Don't mind if I do. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Low-key, I want to get a new helmet. And I know what helmet I want to get. Also, I'm curious to how this lens is at night. Not that it matters. I know the video is still shit. God, I can't see shit because of the glare. I don't even want to film anymore, bro. I just want to fucking ride. I don't know, bro. Sometimes I feel like I just be getting to that stage. I don't know. I started recording this mad excited and I just want to ride. Oh my god. My wheel caught the road and fucking... Oh, heck no. Oh, there's a kid. He wants a little rev. We'll give him a rev. I got you, bro. was a nice little short stop. Can we get a launcher? Oh, they're gonna make that turn. Woo! I really thought he was gonna make that shit, bro. Oh my god. Thought that was gonna be it. But nah, bro. Never. Cameraman never dies. Cameraman never dies. Alright, dog. What are we doing here? What's going on? Can't stand slow ass drivers, bro. See, like, now that I'm on the highway, like, shit, bro, there's gonna be nothing for me to record. Wow, a cop, I'm so scared, like I'm doing something wrong. Lights get turned on. Whoop, whoop. Nah, it's all good, bro. Look, we just go fast to overtake and then we go back to a normal pace. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Definitely mad windy, so I'ma just cut it. I know how it is. I'm on the highway. Ain't shit gonna happen. Some days I look booted, but most of the time I just stay in this lane and that's it. And low-key, I don't have shit. I'm honestly just gonna end the video now. Yep. Sorry, it was a short one, but yeah, what it is. Y'all know the drill. Ride hard, fly safe. Stay hydrated out there. It's a hot summer. I feel like I want to cut, but I also want to say, who the fuck is behind me? Somebody is behind me with some. Oh my god, is that a biker? Oh yeah! Biker or scooter? Biker or scooter? It's a goddamn fucking gas scooter. Alright. Catch you on the next one. Howskies with howskies. Fuck mopeds. Well, at least I caught it on camera. Hey, yo! I'm driving here. What are you doing? Alright, that's all. Just gonna power release for the outro.
One more on the way, baby. One more on the way.
Y'all don't have the F1 movie helmet bucket? Make my own.